Servus guys and welcome to my next tutorial. Today we are going to have a look at industrial foregoing, the X Mine Factory Reloaded mod, and how to get pink slime. Pink slime is, you need pink slime for the laser drill because there is some kind of laser lens, and therefore you need pink slime, and pink slime can be obtained by killing a pink slime, which will spawn when pink slime fluid is dropped somewhere in a hole. So how to get this? Short version is you need an animal feeder, you need a lot of cows or some kind of other animals, you need an animal baby separator, and you need a mob slaughter factory, and this one is going to produce pink slime and liquid meat. So after dropping pink slime into a hole, a pink slime will spawn and you can kill him and may get some pink slime out of it. So how to craft this and how to set this up. So first of all you need an animal feeder, which is kind of easy to craft, so I won't I will just skip this. So just place it there in a 9x9 fence field and just place some fence over there so the animals can't step over. You can show the working area, as you can see in the background, and we keep this to always active. So now we need some energy, of course, and something that the animals get feeded with. So in this case we get some wheat. So first of all we need some energy. So let's get some cables over there. So in the machine, well, you just put some wheat in there now, or you need at least 2 cars at the beginning, and you put some wheat in there, and the machine is, well, starting the love mode and is, just feeding the animals so that fresh new baby animals will spawn, and so you can, well, enhance your cow amount. And we will need the babies for the slaughtering process later on. So as you can see, we got 4 cows, so 4 wheat had been used, and we got a lot of little cows already spawned there because the love mode has been activated. So this will go on and on. So this works quite simple. Now we need to separate the little ones from the big ones, because you don't want to get the idea behind this is that you don't lose your whole amount of cows. So you just lose the little ones that are new to the world. So you don't you stay with the amount of cows, of big cows, that you have. So this should be working a bit faster then. So this is quite a nice setup for this. So the working area for the animal separator works the same way, just the opposite. So it works. Oh, now everything the cows are tripping over. So let's build a fence here. So get back. And the separator works as its name tells us. It separates the young animals from the olds, or the baby animals from the grown-up animals. So we don't lose our grown-up animals within this process. So let's connect it with electricity. And you will be able to see very fastly that all the animals will get separated. So all the little ones are now pulled over, tack, 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 and spit out. So, but all the grown up will stay in there. So this is a very fine way to have like it works a bit like a spawner, but without actually spawning. Okay, it was stupid. So now we need to have our slottery. This works in an 8x8 field, so a bit smaller than the other machines. which is, well, yeah, killing all the little animals and separating them into liquid meat and pink slime. So the working area is a bit higher, but a bit smaller in size. So it's an 8x8. And yeah, I really don't know if you need a fence, but I guess if you lose some power there or so, that might make sense. So mob slaughter factory, easy to craft as well. The animal separator or baby separator is a bit expensive, but still easy to craft. So yeah, just be safe. Put some fence in there, and here we go. So now we need, of course, again, some electricity. So let's pull some cables over there. Here we go. And keep in mind that you need some space for fluid duct pipes or some other kind of pipes for the liquids later on. So here we go. And yeah, so we say always active. Working area, as I already told you, is a bit higher, but a bit smaller in size. And now we need, I guess, some cows to show you how this is going to work. So everything that is separated now will be, let's turn off working area. Everything that is being separated now will be slaughtered right away and turned into liquid meat. And there you see, tick, 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 getting killed right away. All these little animals. Oh. So, I don't know what I told you here in German, but must be very important. So now, as we can see, if we click, there's some liquid meat and there's some pink slime. So for one spawn of pink slime, you need 1 bucket of pink slime, so pink slime fluid. And this takes quite a while. So start with this process early on, because it takes ages to get a lot of pink slime. So now we need some fluid ducts and, well, some tanks. I used here fluid ducts. You can use anything that is transporting fluids. So up to you. I use some open block tanks to save the things. You can use whatever you want. You can do it with your ME system or whatever. So up to you. This is basic modded Minecraft. So I'm using the fluid ducts to show you what's going through. Fluid ducts, and we need a servo. Here we go. Just connect, and on this side right click with the servo. It's everything fine. We say enabled or ignored. The redstone signal should be ignored. And now we lost a bit of fluid, pink fluid, because the thing is you have to configure the machine beforehand. And that's what we are doing here. So we say, okay, don't give it to the right or the left one. And yeah, keep in mind, in a German tutorial, I made the mistake that the machine has to be configured from, let's say, the back. So like I did in the first try, this was right. And as you can see here, it's working fine. So now we need, let's say, imagine we got a lot of pink fluid. We need a bucket. So I'm going out of game mode 1. And shift right click with open block tanks. Just put it into a hole. And just wait for it to spawn. Yeah, there's one spawned. Let's kill him. And the problem is sometimes they do not drop anything. Sometimes they are able to drop up to 2 pink slimes. So for one laser lens, you need 4 pink slimes. So now you can see there they drop pink slime. and yeah, afterwards you can just craft it with I think stained glass or something to adjust a normal laser lens, which you can use for your laser drills, which are quite handy with industrial foregoing. Yeah, that's all about yeah, creating pink slime. I hope that this tutorial helped you and yeah, have fun rebuilding it. In the info box below there are some links to other Minecraft tutorials of mine, like applied energistics I did a lot, so you might want to check them out. Otherwise, thank you for watching, have a good day, have a good week, and see you next time. See you and servus guys.